Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of this tower power strip. This is a really awesome new design. It's called the Jackie LED. I've never seen something like that, and I thought it's maybe a good idea to have something like this with a little bit more functionality. Not only to have the power outlets, also have 4 USB power outlets. So looking really good. Here we have some features. It has overload protection, high conductivity copper, and it should be somehow fire resistant. So looking really good at the moment. I mean, yeah, regarding these specs, it says it has USB charge, maximum 2.1 amps per outlet, which is more than enough for almost everything. So usually you have low power, a lot of low power chargers with just 1 amps. This is actually high power with 2.1 amps. So you should be able to charge most of the things really fast. So let's take it out of the box and see how it looks. So by the way, I see that it comes with a seal, so before you open that, check if there is an unbroken seal, so you know that you really got a new device. So there was not much in the packaging, just the unit itself and some request for feedback, I guess, for Amazon, and some small product instructions. So here we have the unit. It has a rotating head. I think it's also being used to pull back the cord. We just pull here. It's a little bit hard to pull it out. Yeah, now it works. Okay, I can really pull, and it's, so how long is it? I think it's 6 feet. Yeah, I double checked in these instructions or in the description, and it's really 6 feet, and it comes with this grounding. It comes with a protection, of course, and it comes with this grounding plug, which is a good thing, so I don't have to put it back. I mean, it's good for transportation, but after that you won't use that. So to wind up the cord, you just turn this clockwise, and the idea is you have these 3 different layers, and every layer is controlled by a power button, so you can turn every layer individually on and off, which includes the normal outlets and the USB plugs. The USB plugs are all on the lowest layer. That actually makes sense. You don't want to run cables from too far away. So I've already plugged in my Samsung phone on one of these outlets, and as you can see, it's normally charging. When I hit the button, then it's stopping the charge. So this is everything is controlled layer by layer with these power buttons. So it seems to really fully be working. It has these nice handles. You can take it with you if you want to place it on a different place. Yeah, it has underneath this reset button. If you overload the whole thing, it has, I think, a maximum capacity of about 3000 watts. If you overdo, it will trip this switch, and you can reset after that, and of course after reducing the amount of power you consume. So the big advantage of this unit is it needs very few space. That's a good thing. It looks really clean and really good. Also another thing is really, so you don't have a really lengthy cable on your desk or wherever you use that. let's say you're using this on your countertop in the kitchen and you have a plug really close to that unit, so you don't need the 6 feet cable. You can really shorten that really easy by rotating this. This is really a really nice design. Yeah, also another really important thing is that it has a lot of space for each plug. So if you're using a spacey thing like this one, it doesn't cover up. Maybe other side. What's that? Okay, yeah, always when you want to show something like that. Okay, obviously it works. Yeah, the thing is, if you have normal outlets or power strips, sometimes these bulky adapters, they cover up more than one outlet, sometimes 2 or 3, like with this design. So if you have a tower like this, it's no problem. You can really use all of the outlets. Yeah. Even if you have bulky stuff like this is a really awesome feature which I really like. So looks everything really good, seems to work, so full recommendation from my side. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.